Hey everyone! Today we are going to be talking about our premium glass tube selection that we offer here at CustomConesUSA.com. Glass tubes are a great way to stay compliant with state packaging regulations while also impressing your customers with a high-end packaging to match your brand. If your state requires child-resistant packaging, we offer a variety of child-resistant glass tubes. We have smooth black and white plastic caps, rigid black, bamboo, and even metallic gold and silver caps that will allow you to stay compliant while elevating your packaging. We carry single width pre-roll tubes as well as wide mouth tubes, which can hold 2 or more pre-rolls. For larger multi-packs, we offer an airtight bamboo glass tube that can hold up to 11 pre-rolls. With glass tubes, it makes it easy for the product to sell itself. The glass provides a clear view to your beautiful pre-rolls, especially if you have custom branded tips or are using a premium blunt or leaf wrap. If your state doesn't allow product visibility, we can still help you stand out with a classy matte finish on the tube. This will allow you to stand out within tight regulations. Our luxurious glass tubes look great on their own or all dressed up. If you combine our glass tubes with custom labels, you can get bundle discounts, and we even have labeling machines to help you apply the labels with ease.